Hi, I'm Dr. Anita Reddy, Consultant General Physician at Maitri Hospital. Today I want to discuss some basic information regarding dengue fever as the cases are raising very rapidly. So dengue is a viral fever which is spread by the mosquito bite. Coming to the symptoms, patients may experience high-grade fevers for 3 to 5 days, severe body pains. Dengue itself is called bone-breaking fever, that is because of the severity of the pain. And some patients may experience retroorbital pain, that is pain behind the eyes, and some patients may get a rash or red color spots all over the body. Coming to the complications, as all of you know, low platelet count is a major complication that may lead to external or internal bleeding. External bleeding can manifest as bleeding from the gums or the nose, and internal bleeding like bleeding in the gut, which may manifest as black colored stools or blood in the stools. Some severe cases there can be bleeding in the lungs or even in the brain, which can lead to death. Another complication is polyserositis, that is fluid in the lungs, abdomen, and even in around the heart, which may lead to low blood volumes and low blood pressures and may lead to shock. The important point here is all these complications will start after 4 to 5 days of illness. That is, by the time complication starts, patients may feel symptomatically better. This is the reason for neglecting the complications and late manifestations. Coming to the treatment part, controlling temperature with paracetamol is the mainstay of treatment. Some patients may respond to oral paracetamol, which can be taken 3 to 4 times a day. Some patients with high grade of temperatures may not respond to paracetamol and they may require IV paracetamol as well. So when you get high temperatures, don't get panic and don't rush for the unnecessary antibiotics. Instead, consult a doctor. So next main line of treatment is hydration. So that is proper hydration with 3 to 4 liters of fluid intake per day. So patient who can tolerate orally can go for various forms of liquids like water, buttermilk, ORS or coconut water or any kind of liquids. And patients who cannot tolerate orally can go for IV fluids. When you get these symptoms or when temperature is not getting controlled or fever extends beyond 2 to 3 days, consult a doctor and get tested for dengue and its complications. And for prevention, get rid of mosquitoes by using repellents and nets. Thank you.